Ever feel like the world is just following the crowd? And so are you? I get it. Most people stick to what they know about investment. Stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate. But what if I told you the real magic happens when you break away from the obvious? This video is not about giving buy or sell recommendations. Instead, today, I want to show you the power of an unconventional thought process and why it might just change your life. Let's rewind to 2018. A few friends and I started the Solution Company, not to give quick investment tips, but to challenge the way you think. Our philosophy? If you want extraordinary results, you need an extraordinary way of seeing the world. Take gold, for example. Back in 2019, everyone thought I was crazy for buying gold at $1,365. People laughed, rolled their eyes, said gold was old news. Fast forward to today. Gold is at $3,700. Suddenly everyone's talking about it. That's the power of thinking differently, of seeing what has the potential to become more valuable. When you're willing to look beyond the noise, you can spot the gems before they become obvious. But we didn't stop there. Silver, what I like to call the Queen of Metals, caught my attention after Trump's first presidential speech in 2016. Silver was at $18. Today, it's around $43, and some say it's on its way to $100. This forward-looking vision allowed us and our friends to build a solid foundation for our portfolios, like the base of a pyramid. Now let's talk digital. In 2017, Bitcoin was this weird thing nobody really understood. I was skeptical too. However, after our core team member, Kartik, explained it and conducted some serious research, we realized this is digital gold. We accumulated it at $6,000, $7,000. Today, Bitcoin's at $113,120. Ethereum? Same story. Bought at $136, now over $4,100. Sometimes, unconventional assets aren't just outside the box. They're in a whole different universe. But it's not all about metals and crypto. In 2019, we started collecting rare 7-day banknotes. Our first one cost $1,200. Today, similar notes fetch up to $3,000. People thought we were nuts. Now, rare collectibles are a whole new asset class. And then there's the Southern Rhodesia 1-pound Queen note, picked up for $200 a few years ago. Today, over $1,000. Since the Queen passed, demand skyrocketed. It's like a modern-day treasure hunt. Except you're building wealth along the way. Here's the thing. Unconventional thinking isn't about following a formula. It's a journey, full of mystery, risk, and adventure. If you're someone who craves a unique path, who wants to be ahead of the curve, maybe it's time to start thinking differently. So, ask yourself, are you ready to break away from the crowd? Because sometimes, the biggest wins come from the boldest ideas. Stay curious, stay unconventional.